Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sound and notification. As you can see in the sound section on the second position, we've got the ringtone, so here we can change the ringtone for calls. If you'd like to change the ringtone for the notifications, you have to go to advanced settings and tap on notification sound. But let me focus on the ringtone actually. Let's tap on it, and after tapping you will be just transferred to the full list of all available ringtones from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. What's more, we can tap on this plus icon in the right upper corner, and then you will be just transferred to your own files. So if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back, and in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to listen to it and check if you like it or if you do not. And if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about any incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.